Hello everyone, it's me Mama P from the Sage Family Adventures, and today we're doing the unboxing.
And today we're going to do unboxing, guys. So please be with me. And here is the package, guys, that I bought in Amazon. So we're going to open it. So we got here. Tingnan natin kung ano laman, guys. So we're gonna unbox it. So by the way, guys, what I bought is this. Charan! So this is I bought, guys. It's like my early birthday present for myself, even though my birthday is still on December 17, guys. But I got an early birthday gift for myself and or for my family also. So let's go ahead. So just to let you know, guys, this is a karaoke professional speaker by Vamvo Karaoke professional sperker. So it's sperker instead of speaker with two wireless microphone, portable PA speaker system for kids and adults. Originally $99.99, got it for $74.19. So I got $30 off. Total before is $69.99. Estimated tax $4.20. Order total $74.19. So I got coupon for that. So it says here karaoke. Enjoy your music time. Features with USB, BT, TX karaoke from DKTV, built-in microphone, charging station. Short press the EQ mode button. 6 kind conversions of EQ effect, top rock, classical, bass, treble, standard. So you can connect this in. The good thing about this, guys, is you can connect in tablet, laptop, cell phone, laptop, tablet, stereo, and then USB. And then you can also connect this in the TV, guys. Because I saw some people, they put this, or they connect this in the TV. So here is the karaoke microphone system functional parameter. Output, frequency response, signal and noise ratio of power amplifier, loudspeaker, power supplied. It's made in China, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, we'll move the camera a little bit so you can see it. So, ayan siya. Wow! It's really nice. There's activate the warranty. Smart home cinema cards on how to use it. And then there's the wires. And of course, two microphones. I'm gonna show you the microphone. It's nice though. Of course, because it's $100 before codes and coupons. So look at that one, guys. So fancy. So I like that. And the good thing about this is you can also bring this in the Philippines. Opo, pwede po siyang madala sa Pilipinas. Basta, or pwede siya madala kahit anywhere. Kung sa beach, sa event. So, ang ganda ng lagayan niya. May ano talaga siya, may foam to make it safe. Wow. There it is, guys. I hear the review about this is very good. So, there it is. And then the off and on, and then the DC FM USB auxiliary. You can put or connect this in the TV. I'll try this next time, guys. Now I'm gonna just put that up with the live streaming. So here it is, like that. So that's it, guys, for unboxing, and hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And And please don't forget to comment down below. And please subscribe. And this is all. That's it for today. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always.